Jesus freak here. Now this may be a bit of an odd premise. So, hang in there for a second. A character named Matthias is referred to in exactly one place. Acts 1:26. Well, also 23, but same place, basically. As a substitute for Judas Iscariot. I'm going to offer a conjecture that was suggested. And part of it was suggested, and part of it's my own conjecture. They were basically, gambling over who'd get the position of the new number 12. What if God rejected that decision and decided to put another person from outside who had nothing to do with any of them into the position instead? That way the number of apostles would still remain 12. And there wouldn't be any confusion about it. When Paul came in. Because we all know that Paul was referred to as an apostle. And not even the 70 or 72 second batch of disciples that Jesus sent out in the same mission as the 12 were called apostle. So what if Matthias was ultimately rejected by God and the true official 12th apostle was Paul? Just thinking. Plausible? Or am I stretching? Jesus freak out.